Chapter 4. Exercise 4.137. Norwegian saltpeter is a hydrated ionic compound with the following formula. Calcium nitrate with X water molecules. X must be an integer. A 4.93 grams sample of Norwegian saltpeter was heated to drive off the waters of hydration. The mass of the sample after complete hydration was 3.43 grams. Find the number of water molecules in Norwegian saltpeter, this X. So first, if we have 1 mole such sample, it contains 1 mole calcium nitrate and X moles of water molecules. But now we do not have 1 mole such compound. We have 4.93 grams. However, the ratio between the mass of this and the mass of water should be the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the ratio between calcium nitrate and water in mass. How do we do this? First, after we heat it up and dry off the water, we have calcium nitrate, 3.43 grams. Alright, and the ratio between calcium nitrate and water is this. .93 is the mass of this compound with hydration. 3.43 is the compound without hydration. Therefore, the difference is the mass of water. Alright, and again, we can assume the composition does not change even if you change the amount of the chemical. Now let's just assume we have 1 mole such compound, and then that corresponds to 1 mole calcium nitrate. And then we have the mass of 1 mole calcium nitrate here, and we will have X mole of water here. The molar mass of water is roughly 18. 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen. And then over here we need the molar mass of calcium nitrate. So calcium is 40.08, and then we have nitrate, 2 of them. Nitrogen is 14.01 and oxygen is 16. In each nitrate we have 3 oxygen atoms, so that's why we have 16 times 3. Now we have a fairly long equation over here, and I want to show you the entire equation. This is the mass of calcium nitrate, no water in the sample. This is the amount of water in grams. Over here, this is the molar mass of calcium nitrate. We have calcium here, and we have 2 nitrate ions. Therefore, 2 times nitrogen, 3 oxygen. You can use 16.00 here. And over here we have the molar mass of the water molecules. Now let's do the calculation. So we got the ratio here, and we get X is 3.98. We will round this up to 4. How do you solve this by hand, or how do you solve this with a calculator? Well, you can simply calculate this and then do a division. 3.43 divided by this. Alright, and you can also compute this, and then this part is simply this divided by this. Alright, and then you can solve for x. X times 18.016 over here is equal to this whole thing, the molar mass of calcium nitrate, divided by this ratio. It's a little tedious, but it's doable. The final answer is 3.98. We need to round it to the nearest integer, which is 4.